Hello students, my name is Sandeep Kumar Saini and today our topic is concept of buses and bus organization. Uh, Concept of buses means in microprocessor there are three types of buses. Just for example, there are three types of buses, that is address bus, control bus and data bus. In microprocessor, only microprocessor can provide the address to your external devices. External devices are not able to provide the address to your microprocessor. So that's why the address line is unidirectional. And uh, next part is your data bus. Data bus, in data bus, microprocessor can get the data from external devices and also provide the data to your peripheral devices. So that's why the uh, your your data bus is bidirectional. And control bus is used to control the operation. If you want to perform the addition operation is performed, not another operation can perform. It is used to control the operation. First of all, I share your PPT so you can easily understand uh, the different type of buses and their concepts. Wait a moment, I am sharing your PPT. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. There is a problem. Wait a moment. I think there is a problem. Just a just a moment, Raju. Our topic is concept of buses uh, and bus organization systems. Our objectives first is what is the concept of buses. So we have to understand the concept of buses and different type of buses. Next is bus organization. How the bus organization formed in microprocessor. Which bus is connected to which part. That is bus organization. Outline your concept of buses and your bus organization. Topic name is your buses. Next is, so first of all, we discuss about address buses. In address bus is unidirectional, or in microprocessor 8085, there is 16-bit address lines. For example, if in when we increase the processor, for example, Pentium 2, Pentium 3, Pentium 4, the buses line is number of lines is increases. Okay, and denoted their number of address lines. For example, if you want to study the number of address which microprocessor provide, that is 2 raised to n. 2 raised to n means in microprocessor 8085, the value of address bus is 2 raised to n. And that means 2 raised to 16. For example, the computer has 82-bit addresses can address the 8 GB physical memories. 8 GB physical memories. That means 1024 into 8. That much of address can provided by microprocessor. And the address bus is unidirectional. So microprocessor can only address the peripheral devices or your memory. Peripheral devices does not allow to address your microprocessor. As we discussed, the address line is A0 to A16. First, A0 to AD0 to AD7 is address line are multiplexed with your data buses. Data buses is bidirectional and address bus is unidirectional. They both are address bus and data bus are multiplexes. They are D multiplexed with the help of ALE. That is we discussed in our last lecture. ALE means address latch enable. If ALE value of ALE is 1, and that case, in that case, that particular lines, that is 8D0 to 8D7, contain the address of particular memory location of or hardware. If the ALE value is 0, then 80 to 87 contain the data. This is your bus organization system. In we'll discuss there are three type of buses, that is address bus, data bus, and control bus. And center they are connected with memory, input and output devices. As you show in a diagram, the address bus is unidirectional. As you show that the arrow is come from microprocessor to your external devices, as you show in upper lines. And second part is your data buses. Data bus is your bidirectional, so that's why the arrow show in both ended. And this is also both ended. The address bus is AD0 to A0 to A15. That is your address bus. That is 16 line address bus. And data bus is D0 to D7. That is your data buses. Control bus is also unidirectional. As you show that the direction of control bus is unidirectional. In one direction, the arrow is formed. The address buses and control bus are unidirectional, and data bus is over bidirectional. With the help of this diagram, you can easily understand which bus is bidirectional and which bus is your unidirectional. Bus organization system is question is most important to your syllabus in microprocessor. Maximum cases in 5 marks question is come from this topic, that is draw and explain the bus organization system, in which you can explain that diagram plus your different type of buses, address buses, data buses and control buses. And control buses के अंदर हमारे पास क्या कंट्रोल सिग्नल्स होते हैं. कंट्रोल सिग्नल्स क्या है? WR बार, WR बार, RD बार, ये हमारे सारे कौन से आपके कंट्रोल सिग्नल्स हैं कि कौन सा ऑपरेशन हमारा कंट्रोल होता है, कौन सा ऑपरेशन हमारा परफॉर्म हो रहा है, वो चीज हम कंट्रोल करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ हमारे कंट्रोल सिग्नल्स. इनपुट डिवाइसेस क्या चीज है हमारे पास? फॉर एग्जांपल वी अप्लाई द पेन ड्राइव टू योर कंप्यूटर, दैट इज योर इनपुट डिवाइसेस. और आउटपुट डिवाइसेस क्या है? जैसे हमारा डिस्प्ले है, दैट इज योर आउटपुट डिवाइसेस. memory is your hard disk which we are connected in your PC. Memory have each location. If you want to identify the address, then you can right click on the folder and see the properties. You can easily identify the address of particular folder. And this is your references. Thank you. Another most important topic is your this is most important topic. They have 5 marks question. 5 marks question comes from this topic, that is bus organization system. If anybody have any doubt regarding any topic, you can call me, WhatsApp me or mail me. Okay. Thank you.